All right, let's make it. First thing you want to do is some rain. Just layers. That's that top end that I'm looking for. Okay, what else do you see? Lightning and thunder, but movie lightning and thunder. Because how often do you hear thunder when you see lightning? Never, but I'm not a scientist, so... Actually, that might be a hit it and quit it. No, I think we need something. I need to layer those. Yeah, pre-thunder. Love that. I love this. Rain, done.